How to add track 3D animation in Wix Studio. So in order to actually add a track 3D animation, what we can do is we can head over and then click onto the element that we want to add it into. Now I have in here this element. Click onto this inspector icon that we have. And in here, just hover to your mouse effects. Then click on add right there. Now for this case, let's choose track 3D. Once you have clicked on that, it should be able to be applied into the element as indicated by this icon. From in there, click onto this publish option. And then from in there, it should be able to publish this change that we have. So let's see what it looks like into our actual site. So in here, I have my mouse. If I put my mouse right here, it will track it. And as you can see, it's actually on like a loop of 3D right there. So it's like it's gliding over a circle and it's only leaving that part of this right here. So as you can see, it's a fun and exciting way to apply it to your actual website. So that's how you add track 3D animation in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.